Finding the right products to sell used to be a challenge. You would have to spend countless hours researching, testing, and analyzing different products just to waste money on Facebook ads if they didn't work for you. Thankfully, those days are over. Today, I'll be sharing 4 secret ways to find winning products to skyrocket your dropshipping sales. And if you want trending products delivered right to your inbox, remember to sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below. My name's Alex. Let's get right into it. All right, number 1, let's start with this website right here. This is Flippa. Now, this is a great way to find winning products, and not too many people actually know about this. Now, I know I've talked about Flippa on my channel before because this is the actual website that I sell all of my personal dropshipping stores on. But you guys can actually go to the other end of the spectrum and use it to find winning products and winning niches as well. So we'll look at the different categories in just a moment, but it's gonna show you recently sold websites right here at the top. And if you guys keep looking, you're gonna see curated listings just for you, as well as the different prices. It's gonna show what type of business it is, so e-commerce. In the design and style industry, the monetization is dropshipping. It's a 2-year-old site that's giving you about $2,100 in profit a month. You guys can look at all the different businesses right here. You guys can see we have a content business right here. So we wanna look in the e-commerce industry. So let's go at the top. Let's click on Shopify under the trending tab. It's gonna pull up all the different Shopify websites for sale. Now, if we go on the left-hand side right here under the different filters, let's click dropship instead of digital products. So it's gonna show you all of the different Shopify dropshipping stores that are for sale on Flippa, as well as their net profit, their niche, some of their best performing products. If you guys click on some of these listings, you guys don't wanna look at the confidential ones. They're not gonna give you much information. A lot of users can actually pay a little bit more to make their listings confidential, so nobody like us can go through and steal other people's winning products and copy their stores and all that stuff. But the listings that aren't confidential, so like softpouch.com right here, you guys can see all of their sales stats, some of their best performing products, all of that good stuff. Let's just keep looking so you guys can see like Nature's Energies health products, L & Co Boutique, Cook's Fancy, Buy That Toilet Seat, cocktails, wine gear. So let's look at wine gear. It's bringing in almost $3,000 a month in profit. They want $33,000 for it. It's an e-commerce site in the home and garden niche. There's some similar websites and stuff for sale, but you guys can just read a lot about this business, and you guys go through a ton of different listings on Flippa. You guys can actually see their best performing products and how they're actually performing for these stores in the marketplace, and go ahead and actually copy them yourself. All right, another great way of finding current and up-to-date winning products is exploding topics. So on exploding topics, you guys will see trending topics and different products. You guys wanna sort by something a little bit closer. So maybe past 3 months, past 6 months, we'll go with the past 6. You guys can choose different categories and actually search for different words. A pro plan will actually help out with this, although it's not exactly needed, but you're gonna see a lot more products by having that pro plan. But you guys can go through and look at some of the top trending topics over the past 6 months. So you're gonna find a lot of products on here, a lot of different brands as well. So you guys can see like podcast microphones. A lot of people are starting up podcasts. Bamboo tumbler. Actually, I found a similar product on Exploding Topics, just like the bamboo tumbler, and started selling it on one of my own stores, and it actually started performing great. So that just validates that Exploding Topics is a great way to find winning products. You got cat toothpaste, hydrating sheet mask. So it's gonna show you all the different topics as well as the growth and everything else to do with these. All right, another amazing way to find winning products in 2023 is just by using the Meta ad library. So you guys have probably heard of this for the past few years, but it's still just as relevant today as it was in 2017. So we go on the Meta ad library right here and go on the little search bar. You guys can type in search terms that have to do with dropshipping. So you guys can see I just typed in buy now, get yours here. You guys wanna type in similar search phrases. So we'll say shop here, change it up a little bit. And you guys are gonna see all the different ads that contain the term shop here. Do this with a bunch of different terms as well as products or industry keywords depending on what niche you're in. But just be creative here, type in a bunch of different phrases. You guys can find a bunch of different dropshipping stores and brands right here, and then go on their actual pages and see what type of ads they're running, what their ads are around, and honestly see what their best performing products are. And yeah, just keep going through that. Spend a lot of time on Facebook ads library, type in different search terms, look at the different brands, see what everybody else is selling, focusing on their different testing points, all of their different creatives, ad copy. You guys can learn so much from Facebook ads library. It doesn't even stop with winning products, but you guys can focus on your ad copy and just become a better marketer overall. So as a quick example, I was scrolling past this ad from Beyond Bark's Pet Shop. You guys can see it's a little fruit bird feeder right here. But if we want to see all of the different ads being ran from this pet shop, we can click see ads right here from about the page. And it's going to bring you to all of the different ad creatives that they currently have running, as well as any past ad campaigns that they have. So you guys can see right here, they're running it for that little fruit holder, as well as this little birdhouse, whatever it is. But something as simple as this can expose this brand's best performing product, so you guys can have an idea and sell something similar yourself. All right, the final way that I have for you guys is so simple, yet it's so often overlooked. You guys just want to go on Twitter and type in something along the lines of hashtag UGC creator, hashtag UGC content creator, anything along the lines of that. Just click latest, and you guys can see trending products in real time as they're posted. So you guys are going to see a bunch of these different creators working with different brands to promote products in real time. Go through and follow some of the top creators that you find on here, and you guys will see all the different products that all the different brands are promoting. And the more creators on each product, the more marketing budget that brand has. So you guys can see how much each brand is spending based on the amount of videos, traction, creators, and everything that this brand has as far as their marketing promotions. Just keep scrolling this hashtag, look at all the different products that are being promoted, and make sure to go through and follow a ton of these different creators so you guys can see this on your timeline every single day. I just showed you 4 different ways to find 7-figure dropshipping products. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of helpful ecom resources linked for you in the description below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.